Hey everyone, it's Gail Bates from MyMentorBiz.com, and I wanted to do a quick video for you today to share with you what I call a power generator in helping you with your follow-up in your direct sales business using your planner. It's one of my favorite ways to use the planner. And so in the direct sales planner, if you look at your action plan, which is actually on page 67, if you actually have the planner, this is every month you get to do a action plan for your business. And so basically this is a tracking plan. So where you are tracking the events that you're holding every month. And so if you were to fill this out, this is what becomes your power generator for follow-up. And we all know it's in the follow-up where the business really happens. So for example, I want to share with you the stats here are, so we had a party on the 2nd. 8 people were there, got 2 bookings, sales were 1,200, and there were 3 people that I wanted to schedule a recruiting conversation with. On the 10th, at a vendor event, 20 people at that event, got 2 bookings, and $500 in sales. And there were 5 people at that event that I wanted to have recruiting conversations with. And it goes on to each one of the events, whether they're parties, whether they're workshops, whether they're one-on-ones, whether they're, it's the events, it's the you and with people sharing your opportunity, sharing your products that's going to conjure up this follow-up that you need. So if you add up all the stats each month, so, if I looked at the number of guests that are on here, 35, 41, there's 50 people that I've been in touch with so far this month. There's 4, 5, 6, 7 future bookings that are happening. And of course, there's nearly over $4,000 in sales. And this is the important one for me. There is 3, 8, 11, 13, 14 people to follow up with, to share and talk to about my business opportunity. I am writing those names down in this column here, this follow-up column here, for me to follow up with, whether it's following up with by phone, by instant message, by video, whatever way you have your follow-up system working. This is the power generator. This part of the planner is the power generator for you to get business and get future business and grow a successful team. So I hope that's been helpful for you today. Leave me a message below if you're using this page as your power generator in your planner. Have a great day.